Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. And also do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. This weekend, an old friend of mine is moving house and I've promised to help him move all his stuff. I had been hoping to be able to use my car to do this because he's got rather a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, over the last few weeks, my car's been playing up. It's not been running smoothly. And yesterday, it finally conked out completely. It died on me. And this morning, I had to call the garage to get them to come and have a look at it. There's a local garage that I use a lot because I trust the mechanics there, and they're usually very reasonable in their pricing. They don't try to rip me off to cheat me. When they came out and had a look at the car, they asked me when I thought I would need it by again. And I said, well, ideally for the weekend, because I had been hoping to help a friend move house. Oh, by the weekend, they said. That's a big ask. If you describe something as a big ask, you mean that you're asking a lot of somebody. You're asking them to do something that's very difficult for them to do. For example, one of my students' husbands needs to try to get IELTS 6.5 by Christmas. And he's not bad at English, but getting 6.5 by Christmas, whoa, it's a big ask. A football team might need to win 3 games in a row to save themselves for the season. Whoa, winning 3 games in a row, 3 games on the trot. It's a big ask. It's not impossible, but it's difficult to do. If you have enjoyed this video, click the like button below, share it with your friends.